Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every single day.
Is breakfast important?
Yes, very important indeed.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, very hungry now.
What is this?
It is breakfast time.
Do you see eggs?
Yes, 2 fried eggs.
Do you like eggs?
Yes, I love eggs.
Are the eggs hot?
Yes, nice and hot.
Is there toast here?
Yes, 2 pieces here.
Do you like toast?
Yes, toast is great.
Is the toast crispy?
Yes, very crispy today.
What is in the jar?
It is sweet honey.
Do you like honey?
Yes, honey is delicious.
Is honey healthy?
Yes, very healthy food.
Do you put honey on toast?
Yes, always on toast.
Is there juice here?
Yes, fresh orange juice.
Is the juice cold?
Yes, nice and cold.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I love juice.
Do you drink juice daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Do you see fruit?
Yes, fruit bowl here.
What fruit is there?
Apple, orange, and grapes.
Do you like apples?
Yes, apples are great.
Do you like oranges?
Yes, very juicy ones.
Do you like grapes?
Yes, sweet purple grapes.
Which fruit do you prefer?
I prefer sweet oranges.
Is fruit healthy?
Yes, very healthy food.
Do you eat fruit daily?
Yes, every morning, always.
Is breakfast ready now?
Yes, everything is ready.
Does it smell good?
Yes, smells very good.
Who made this breakfast?
I made it myself.
Do you cook well?
A little, not much.
Is cooking easy?
Sometimes easy, sometimes hard.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, every single morning.
What time is it?
It is 7:30.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, quite early, always.
Is early morning nice?
Yes, I love mornings.
Is the kitchen sunny?
Yes, very bright today.
Do you like this kitchen?
Yes, it is cozy.
Is the window open?
No, but light comes.
Is it warm outside?
Yes, very warm today.
Do you eat slowly?
Yes, I eat slowly.
Is slow eating healthy?
Yes, doctors say so.
Do you chew well?
Yes, I chew carefully.
Do you talk while eating?
Yes, I love talking.
Is talking while eating okay?
Yes, with good friends.
Are you a good cook?
I'm getting better.
Do you use oil?
Yes, a little oil.
Do you add salt?
Yes, just a little.
Is salt healthy?
Not too much, no.
Do you add pepper?
No, I do not.
Do you like spicy food?
No, not too spicy.
Is this meal enough?
Yes, very filling meal.
Will you feel full?
Yes, until lunchtime.
Do you skip breakfast?
No, never skip breakfast.
Is skipping breakfast bad?
Yes, very bad habit.
Do you drink water too?
Yes, always drink water.
How much water daily?
About 8 glasses daily.
Is water important?
Yes, most important thing.
Do you drink tea?
Sometimes after breakfast, yes.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Is tea hot?
Yes, I like hot.
Do you add sugar?
Just 1 small spoon.
Do you eat lunch too?
Yes, at 1 o'clock.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice and fresh vegetables.
Do you eat dinner?
Yes, always eat dinner.
What time is dinner?
Dinner is at 7.
Is dinner your favorite meal?
No, breakfast is favorite.
Why do you love breakfast?
It starts my day.
Do you eat with family?
Yes, on weekends, always.
Does mom eat with you?
Yes, Mom eats here.
Does dad eat breakfast?
Yes, Dad loves eggs.
Does your sister eat breakfast?
Yes, she eats fruit.
Is family breakfast fun?
Yes, very fun time.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, eggs are favorite.
Do you eat eggs daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Are eggs good for you?
Yes, full of protein.
Do you know other breakfast foods?
Yes, oatmeal and yogurt.
Do you eat oatmeal?
Sometimes on cold days.
Do you eat yogurt?
Yes, with honey sometimes.
Is yogurt healthy?
Yes, very good food.
Do you buy fresh food?
Yes, from the market.
Is fresh food better?
Yes, much, much better.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, every Saturday morning.
Is the market near here?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
Do you enjoy cooking breakfast?
Yes, I really do.
Will you cook tomorrow?
Yes, eggs again tomorrow.
What will you make?
Eggs, toast, and juice.
Is that your favorite breakfast?
Yes, my perfect breakfast.
Shall we eat now?
Yes, let us eat.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you, you too.